Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. Locate the fuel filter under the air supply duct. Remove the air supply duct. Unplug the air extraction duct sensor and remove the air duct. Remove the airflow meter. Take the fill plug from the supplied bag. Disconnect the filter and plug the fuel intake. Unplug the preheating module and remove the water draining hose. Remove the module seal. Lubricate the new seals by dipping them in fuel prior to installation. Clips the module onto the new filter. Plug in the fuel intake and outtake. Affix the filter into its housing prior to reconnecting the preheating module. Reassemble the air supply and the air extraction ducts. Prime the filter using the manual pump. Start the engine in order to check the installation. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert.